This is the second East African RHoK event focusing in disaster, agriculture, health, water and sanitation. These are the issues and the mandate of the Red Cross.
RHoK stands for Random Acts of Kindness, and it's really a disaster software development competition seeking to derive solutions to various problems, largely in the area of disaster. So that includes floods, fires, droughts, issues of climate change adaptation, food security, all those falling under really disaster, the disaster theme. But then outside disaster, also issues of agriculture, health, water and sanitation. And all these are areas within which there are various global problems, and the RHoK community tries to come together to solve problems, world problems in these areas.
This year, we are going to see teams designing solutions which are innovative and within the RHoK themes, which for this year is resilience building in agriculture, water and sanitation, in health and in disasters.
My expectations out of RHoK is a solution that will help change the world, help people in need, help people in terms of disaster. What I'm looking out for is two things: innovativeness and sustainability. The originality of an idea. Can it be sustainable over a particular period of time?
We're trying to look at something that is new, something that is out of this world, and something that reflects on the theme, and we are looking at suitability in terms of how the solution can actually help tackle the current problem statement that clearly stated in the website.
If you can present it well, you can defend it well.
Before you come up with a solution, you must have the data for a particular area so that you know what challenge that area faces. So that's why we are coming up with this system that will help people who want to come up with solutions on problems. They can know what to target, which area to target.
There are people who are missing at every particular point in Kenya. And it is very hard to trace these people where they are because they are scattered. So we are trying to help people find these people by locating them exactly where they are. And in 48 hours, we are aiming to let people from rural areas report missing people, at the same time find their missing ones through SMS or even a smartphone or even on the web.
Working on a mapping application that maps all the blood donation centers in the country, enabling people who want to donate blood to access those locations, enter the information that they usually enter manually when they reach a blood donation center. Then this information is sent to the database of those centers. Now these centers are able to, when the person wants to go to the center and donate blood, the information is already there, submitted. Now this helps in increasing in efficiency since less time is used filling the forms.
Patana is a mobile application, mostly based on SMS, but we're also doing a web app for it. So how it works is we noticed that at different parts of the year in the whole of Africa and Kenya as a country, there are some places with excess food supply, and there are other areas where they don't have any food at all. So what we're actually doing is we actually want to create an application that actually brings the two, the guy starving and the guy with the excess, the guy throwing away the cabbages and the milk. So we're actually going to bridge the two.
We're working on an app called Cropster. Basically, we found out that we'll just go on with agriculture since it's the main backbone of Africa. We find that these farmers, they have all the manpower, but when it comes to knowledge, they don't have the basic knowledge. So we want to come up with an app that will be able to sensitize farmers on the appropriate crops that they will be able to cultivate depending on where they are.